Just one. Thank you.
Next, please.
Okay, that is a 99-cent pizza joint in New York, which still exists. $1 for a piece of pizza, you saw it. This is a 99-cent piece of pizza. Let's break down why this is the perfect food. First of all, it's a balance of fat, salt, spicy, crispiness, and vinegar. And I'll break it down for you, okay? Crispiness is in the crust, okay? Fat is in the cheese. Spiciness is in the chili that you put on top. Vinegar is in, which is a very necessary part of enjoying a $1 piece of pizza, the hot sauce that you put on it. Most hot sauces that they have, like a Louisiana, is vinegar based. It gives it a tiny bit of acidity, okay? I also dumped on what I thought was oregano, but it's actually black pepper. But if you add oregano, it adds a little bit of a savoriness or a bitterness, okay? So again, cheese, you've got fat and also a little bit of umami. So basically you're covering all the corners of flavor and food. And this is what you can learn from a $1 piece of pizza. Is next time you cook, think of a piece of pizza. Crispiness, fat, saltiness, acidity, and umami. And another place umami lives in pizza is tomato. So that's everything you need to know about cooking in a 99-cent piece of pizza. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, from Lower Manhattan.